Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a lightweight and user-friendly drone designed for hassle-free flying experiences. Weighing under 249 grams, it eliminates the need for registration, allowing users to travel light and enjoy the freedom of flying without the tedious application process. One standout feature is its ability to capture stunning vertical videos in 4K/60 FPS HDR. Showcasing sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. The drone's high-quality footage eliminates the need for post-cutting, making it easy to share your videos instantly. Safety is a top priority with the Mini 4 Pro, thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing system. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, users can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will effectively detect obstacles and reduce the risk of collisions, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced flyers. Number 2, DJI Mini 2C. The DJI Mini 2C is a lightweight and portable drone, weighing less than 249 grams. Making it perfect for on-the-go adventures like hikes and road trips. Its beginner-friendly design ensures easy learning and quick mastery, with a return-to-home function for added safety. The drone boasts an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, and a combo option provides 2 additional intelligent flight batteries for a total flight time of up to 93 minutes. Capturing stunning aerial moments is made effortless with the DJI Fly app, offering easy-to-use shooting templates for automated flying, recording, and generating professional-level videos. The drone also features an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, thanks to DJI AquaSync technology, providing reliable and enhanced connectivity. Number 3, DJI Air 2S. Drone. The DJI Air 2S is a high-performance drone that comes equipped with impressive features to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. One standout feature is its 1-inch image sensor with large 2.4i circumflex 1/4 m pixels, allowing for stunning 5.4K/30 FPS and 4K/60 FPS video capabilities. This ensures exceptional clarity and detail in your footage. A notable advancement is the introduction of Master Shots, an intelligent feature that takes quick shots to the next level. With a simple tap, users can capture the best shots in any location, showcasing the drone's capabilities in creating dynamic and engaging content effortlessly. The Focus Track feature takes center stage, offering Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0. These features make it easy for the DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject, providing a range of creative options for capturing captivating visuals. The drone's maxed service ceiling above sea level is an impressive 5,000 meters. Number 4, DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a powerhouse drone designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. With its dual cameras, it opens up a world of creative possibilities for travel photography, offering various focal length options to capture breathtaking and immersive shots. The increased flight time of up to 46 minutes, a 48% improvement from its predecessor, ensures that you can seize every moment without the constant worry of running out of battery. Safety is a top priority with the Air 3, thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology. Whether you're navigating through forests or other challenging environments, the drone provides enhanced protection, allowing for worry-free flying. The impressive 48MP image capture capability allows for high-quality crops, unveiling surprising details even in quickly snapped travel photos. Number 5, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a high-end drone designed for professional aerial photography and videography. It boasts a powerful main camera developed in collaboration with Hasselblad, featuring a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm equivalent format, and a versatile aperture range from f/2.8 to f/11, with a resolution of 20 MP. This camera supports shooting raw photos with an impressive dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. In addition to the main camera, the Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with a medium tele camera that has a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 70mm equivalent focal length, 3x optical zoom, and a resolution of 48MP. Another tele camera with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor offers a 166mm equivalent focal length, 7x optical zoom, 28x hybrid zoom, and a resolution of 12MP. These multiple cameras provide users with creative flexibility and various shooting options.